Hi, first graders. Happy virtual learning week. We're ready to start a new week, and that means new spelling words. So it looks like we're going to focus on our long U sound, and that means we're going to have lots of bossy E's telling that U to say its own name. Let's go ahead and get started. My trusty assistant Harrison and I have yet another fun idea to practice your spelling words. Again, this are just ideas. You do not have to practice your spelling words this way. Whatever works best for you. If you just want to write them with pencil, if you want to have your adults say the word and you spell it back to them, however works best for you. I saw some pictures of a few friends having fun with the salt idea last week, so I was really happy about that. You could try that again if you want to too. All right, so our words for this week are number 1, use. I like to use paints in my art studio. So what Harrison did, what we need for practicing this, I forgot to tell you, is a white crayon and your watercolor paints that you probably got back when you picked up your supplies. He wrote the word in the white crayon on the paper, and then he's going to take any color he wants out of his paints and paint over the word, and it magically will appear. Harrison, will you show us? We did the word use.
The first
U-S-E, use. Look at that. He wrote it with white crayon, and he went over it with yellow, and there it is. Pretty cool. All right, friends, number 2 is cute. I think that little things are cute. Cute. We have our long U sound with our bossy E again. Harrison wrote it with his white crayon. Looks like he's going to change it up with a different color. Blue. Cool, look. C-U-T-E, cute. Nice job, Harrison. Number 3 is cube. My ice is in the shape of a cube. Cube. C-U-B. Make sure your B is facing the right way, friends. And then we have our bossy E, cube. He wrote it with his white crayon. He's going to go over it with his watercolors. Look at that. Cube. Number 4, look at that. We're going to change just one letter. Tube. Some people like to sit on a tube and float down the river. Tube. T-U-B. Tube. Again, check your B's. Make sure they're going the right way. There it is. Tube. Number 5. We're just going to change one letter again. We have tune. That song is one of my favorite. I love the tune. Tune. Harrison's going to write it with his white crayon. He's writing it, friends, on the paper. And then he goes over it with his watercolors.
Can you see that?
Yeah, and there's the word. Tube. Looks like it's I'm sorry, tune.
Yeah, tune.
Sorry.
The E.
T-U-N-E, tune.
The E isn't too good, but...
Yeah.
But that's an E at the end.
All right, our number 6 word is rule. Being kind to others is not only nice, but it is also a rule at school. Rule. R-U-L-E, rule. Number 7 is nice. I love to be nice to my friends. Nice. Now we have our long I. Remember that C can sound like a S sometimes. And we have our bossy E. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice.
There's a dot on the
Number 8 is the word large. I bet that my first graders are going to be large next time I see them. I bet you are growing, friends. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large.
Geez, my E's are not good today.
Next, we have the word here. Here. Huh. E. Remember that E-A can make our E sound? Here. I hear birds in the morning when I wake up. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. Remember, friends, your H's need to have long sticks just like Harrison did so it doesn't look like an N, right? Here. Number 10 is talk. It's not polite to talk when the teacher is reading a book. Talk. He's writing it with his white crayon on the white paper. And then look what happens. Da 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 da. T-A-L-K. So fix that A. There you go. Talk. Talk. Now, friends, that was 1 through 10. Go ahead and practice those words all this week. We have 5 challenge words again. These are some trickier words that you can challenge yourself with. Number 1 is respectful. One of our key rules at Crestlane is to be respectful. R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L. Respectful. That's a long word, friends. Number 2 is rainbow. When the sun is shining and it's raining, a lot of times we might see a rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, bow, put together rainbow. Check those B's, make sure they're facing the right way. Number 3 for our challenge words is somewhere. I can't find my favorite book, but I know it's somewhere. S-O-M-E-W-H-E-R-E, somewhere. Number 4 is coast. On a hot day, it sure is nice to drive to the coast. C-O-A-S-T, coast. Last but not least, we have number 5 for our challenge words, and it's the word project. Sometimes a project can take a long time to work on. Project. P-R-O-J-E-C-T. Remember that J, make sure it's facing the right way. Those are some tricky words, friends, but I have a feeling that you can challenge yourself and work hard, and you're going to do great trying to spell those. So, friends, that is lesson 25. I hope that you have a fabulous week of school, and I will see you online very, very soon. I miss you all. Have a great day, first graders. Mwah.